Kinetic theory of gases, question number 22. Hydrogen gas is contained in a closed vessel at 1 atmospheric, 100 kilopascals and 300 Kelvin. Find A. Calculate the mean speed of the molecules. B. Suppose the molecule strikes the wall with this speed, makes an average angle of 45 degrees with it. How many molecules strike each square meter of the wall per second? In this question number 22, they gave one vessel. In that vessel, 1 atmospheric of hydrogen gas is present. So which one we want to calculate? Is it present at temperature of 300 Kelvin? Which one we want to calculate? First of all, they told to calculate the average speed of the hydrogen gas molecules. And second one, if the hydrogen gas molecule strikes the walls of the container at an angle 45 degrees, then how many number of molecules which strikes the wall at 45 degrees per square unit area? That we want to calculate. First of all, we want to calculate the A, that is average speed. That means V average is equal to square root over 8 RT divided by pi into M. So here square root over 8 into universal gas constant, no, 8.3 joule by mole Kelvin into temperature that is given 300 Kelvin divided by pi, we know 3.14. Molecular weight of hydrogen we calculated 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here on multiplication of numerator, 8 into 8.3 into 300, 19920 into 10 to the power of minus 3 will move in the numerator as 10 to the power of 3 divided by multiplication of 3.14 into 2, that is 6.28, is equal to, on division of 19920 divided by 6.28 will give us 1317.92975 into 10 to the power of 3. So here square root over 1317.975 into 10 square. On square root of this one, 178.10 into 10. So here 1781 meters per second. So nearly 1780 meters per second. Here B, that is number of molecules striking per each square unit makes an angle 45 degrees. To calculate this one, first of all, see this. This is the wall. It is the normal. Here M, which must be strikes to the wall, makes an angle 45 degrees with that. Then afterwards it must be reflecting in the other direction, that is also 45 degrees. So here this is the mass and traveling with velocity v. It is also traveling with velocity v only. So these two angles also, this is 45 means this one is also 45 and this one is also 45. But here how much force which is exerted by the mass on this one. So here if I want to calculate force is equal to change in momentum. What is the initial momentum? mv. This one striking here, no, this is mv cos 45 degrees minus this is opposite direction, that is mv cos 45 degrees. So here mv divided by root 2 plus mv divided by root 2. So that means 2mv divided by root 2 cross multiplied with the root 2. What happens here? 2 gets cancelled. Root 2 mv is the force. Here I got for only one molecule. That means what happens here? For one molecule is equal to root 2 m into v. For n molecules, root 2 into m into v into n. But here I want to calculate force per unit area. So that means here force per unit area, that is force divided by area, is equal to, we know that change in momentum by change in time. What is the change in momentum here? Root 2 into m into v into n divided by delta t. So here force by unit area. Force by area is nothing but which one? Pressure, is equal to root 2 into m into v into n by delta T. Here for 1 mole of gas, number of collisions n by delta T is equal to, what happens here? It is the pressure divided by root 2 m into v. So that means for 1 mole of gas, n by delta T is equal to P by root 2 into m into v. But here for n number of molecules, number of collisions, for n number of molecules, what happens here? Capital N is equal to P divided by root 2 m into v into Avogadro number, that is. So by calculating this, we will get the number of molecules striking the surface makes an angle 45 degrees with the surface. So I want to calculate number of molecules, that is number of molecules striking the wall. For n number of molecules striking the wall, n is equal to, I am substituting the values here, P 10 to the power of 5 divided by root 2 into mass, that is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into velocity 1980 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 Avogadro number. So here 6.023 into 10 to the power of 28 divided by, on multiplication of this one we are getting 5033.84. Here I am dividing these two, 1.196 into 10 to the power of 28 I am getting after simplification. So here nearly 1.2 into 10 to the power of 28 molecules striking the wall at an angle 45 degrees. That is total number of molecules. This is the solution for question number 22.